kapatid niya. Hi guys! Hi guys! Magpapatrade kami ng my cousin ko. Hi ka! Hi! And this is me. Hawakan mo. Hi! Okay guys, magpapatrade kami. Sorry guys kasi madilim. Do you want this hotdog ni papa mo? Hindi. Try natin. No. Maglagay ka muna. Yes. Akin na. Yay! Do you want to eat the heart and so small it? Guys, sorry guys. Sorry guys, nag-i-English na ako. And you want to eat this? Yeah! Uy! Do you want to eat this, bro? Yes! Sorry, but I like this. Wait. Sorry, I like this. This is my like squishy, but I want to try this. Yes. Yay! This is on my toilet. Look. Ito, di na siya po. And this is my toilet. Di na siya naglalabas. And this is my toilet trick. Ano hotdog ng papa mo. And this is my